Let's talk about the components of an experimental research design. There are four components of experimental research design: hypothesis, variables, constants, experimental, and control groups. Variables are any qualitative and quantitative characteristics that may change. For example, age, height, mass, temperature. An independent variable is a variable that is purposely manipulated in an experiment. Dependent variable is a variable that is purposely observed and measured for any effects and outcomes from manipulation of the independent variable. In contrast to variables are constants. These are qualitative and quantitative characteristics that do not change. Hypothesis is a testable and tentative proposed statement for an observable phenomenon or event. The purpose of hypothesis is to formulate what you want to test and defines the limit of your experiment. Experimental groups. These are groups or trials in an experiment that receive all of the conditions in an experiment except the varying amounts or qualities of the independent variable. Experimental groups are also called the treatment groups. Control group. The group to which the experimental groups is compared. The control group receives the exact treatment as the experimental group, except it does not receive the change of the independent variable. Having a control group in an experiment is necessary to achieve a fair test.